So, welcome to an episode of Project Rust. I'm William, and in today's episode we're working again on the daily. So, this will be the third episode of how to make Keep Crappy as Daily less crappy. Yes, it is the fourth video, but the other one is just a repair video, so it doesn't count. So in the previous videos I did change the tires, change the wheels, check the brakes, check the oil, repaired the lock, what else we did? Replaced the wipers and replaced the front suspension arms because the rubbers were all worn out. All that stuff is great and the car works awesome now. Oh, and not forget the alignment. The alignment actually made a big difference and drives a million times better now. But being that said, the car is still not brilliant. So you might note behind me, I'm going to work from the inside because the speakers that are in it are now getting a bit old and it's pretty nasty, and you know, time to replace them.
Soul making, sound shaking, earth quaking, change.
So, this is what I've got. I bought some cheap speakers out of a store somewhere. They're all new. This is new, this is new, this is all stuff that I had. This one, I got this as a present. This one, Dan had one lying around, and this one is one from my old mobility, how you call it, a portable speaker I made myself. And of course, some rally calibers, wiring kit. The thing is, I didn't want to spend so much, so all of this was pretty cheap. This one was free, this one was free, this one was for free. This one was like, I don't know, 35 euros. This one 45, this was 55. This it's not that impressive, but I'm not going to bang these speakers like my other buddies are doing. So this will be a good setup. So now let's install them. So, oh my god. 200 max power. Ja, maar RMS was hij volgens mij 80. Volgens mij was 80 RMS.
Ja,
Staat niet tot voorkant, staat op achterkant. Look at them Sony Beauty.
yes. Max power.
Ja, ik zit me wel af te vragen, zal ik Peugeot klepjes ervoor doen? Of zal ik de Sony klepjes ervoor houden?
Die zijn wel mooi.
Ja, maar ik denk niet dat ze passen.
Je krijgt dan wel een heel lelijke chirp in.
Ja. Looks nice. Yes.
Er zijn momenten dat ik blijf aan, andere momenten kan je verhaal wel aan doen. En denk je dan vroeger dat het gebeurde.
Voiture 2. C'est une obligation.
So those are the front speakers installed. As you can see, all I need to do is add 2 screws and put the plastic cover on it, and the front rods are installed. Too bad that the Sony ones don't fit. Well, they do fit, but it looks crap and it's probably going to interfere with the side of the door. But you know, stuff like that happens. So after we did that, we're going to do the amp probably for the rear speakers. Yeah, I don't call it. everything installed now in the crappy ass daily. It's time to put the end to this episode. The only thing that is not connected is this little amp for the rear speakers. I didn't really have enough time, and I'll do that off camera because you know, it's not that important. It's very easy, so I'm going to do that later on. But I already tested the sub and it's great. It's really good, and yes, that's the end of this episode. Hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe if you want to see more, and check out some of these other videos, and hopefully I'll see you back on the channel. Laters!